What's going on, guys? This is Michael with Trushine Cleaning. I'm out in the St. Louis, Missouri area. So, a local guy by the name of James, he has a cleaning restoration company here in St. Louis. He showed me this setup, and I never seen it before. So, it's really simple. But if any of you guys are interested in the setup, I can send you guys all the links of what I purchased to make this work. Now, mind you, it's just using a electric pressure washer to clean carpet with, to clean for the PSI, for the pressure, not for the suction, not for the vacuum. You're gonna have to find your own source of vacuum. But he showed me a setup to what he put together that works pretty well, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks now. So here goes the setup of what I use. So really simple. Just snap it off here, snap it off there, and it is pretty simple like this. So here goes the fitting for the carpet cleaning hose. This just snaps right on to the pressure washer. Mind you, this is just a Ryobi 1600 psi pressure washer, 1.2 gallon. That's all it is. It's very simple. Myself, I hooked this hose up because, and it just runs right into the top of my tank. This is just a freshwater tank that I have. I put the little sprocket on it to make it work. It has the water running from here onto the pressure washer. And I really put this on because I was afraid of the pressure busting this line. Mind you, this is just standard carpet cleaning wine. Carpet cleaning hose. I'm sorry. Carpet cleaning hose. So I was afraid of it busting this hose. So just like a little relief valve. So when I do cut the pressure washer on, instead of full pressure on the hose, some of the water is going back into the tank. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you it working. And mind you, this is just a standard pressure washer. So with my services, I do pressure washing services as well. So I have the pressure washing wine, pressure washing gun here. So I can pull that hose off, hook it right to that, and use this gun. But for everyone who's in the carpet cleaning industry, if you want to be able to use one of these pressure washers, and so use one of these pressure washers and be able to get the same PSI off of one of these machines. This is the machine that I'm running, the Prospector PE500. So instead of having to deal with this machine, filling it up, worrying about this PSI, only thing I use this machine for is vacuum. I do have the two LS vacuums in it, so I can run at least about 200 feet of hose off of it and still get great suction. So most of the time I do leave this in the van. I don't, on this machine, it does not have automatic pump out or fill, so I do have to kind of watch for that. But right now, it's been pretty good to me. So I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. So I just snap this into place, snap this on, like that. So, show you guys, I'm going to use my stir tool. So, I'm going to use my stir tool, So, show you guys this. Post this thing up just a little bit. All right, guys. So just snap it in like this, and I'm gonna show you guys how much pressure. Oops, almost crazy. Show you guys how much pressure I get with my stir tool. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it off though. Turn the valve off. So show you guys this. See how that looks, right? So watch this. So as you guys can see, it does work pretty well. I just got done cleaning the rug with it. The PSI is great. Only thing I done wrong was I put the wrong pressure gauge on it. I put a gauge on it that has, you guys can see, has 1,000 to 5,000 PSI. Keep in mind this machine only goes up to 1,600 PSI. So I put the wrong gauge on this one, but adjusting this, I know which type of pressure, depending on, I know how much pressure that I need to clean with whatever I'm using. So it is a great thing to know what type of PSI you're using, but at the end of the day, I may put another one on, I may not, but at the end of the day, I've been doing this for a while, so I know the type of PSI that I need for the type of services that I'm going to be cleaning. So it's a real easy setup. Like I say, it's under 200 bucks if you guys are using an electric pressure washer. So thanks for watching.